Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn on the location service in iPhone and also check how many apps are using the location service in your iPhone. So it is a very good practice where you can check and optimize your phone. So we will go to the settings, and to check the location service and enable it, we need to go to this privacy and security, which is at the bottom. So here we have this privacy and security, and you have found location services. We can click on that and you will find location service you can turn on or turn off from here. All right, so once you turn it off, it will be turned off for all, and if you turn it on, and you can check which all apps are using it and how exactly they are using it. So camera is not using it, and app store using while using. So when I'll open my app, it will use the location service. You can always change whenever you want to. So here, let's say if I do not want for Safari websites, I'll click on this and then I'll select never and I'll click on back, and you can see the Safari website doesn't have the location access. So this is how you can enable or disable location service, and you can also customize it. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.